Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Hyundai Accent AC filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side. You'll need to remove everything inside to make space. Next, gently press inward on the sides of the glove box. This action will release the small stoppers that hold it in place, allowing it to swing down further. This step gives you clear access to the filter housing behind it. Once the glove box is down, you'll see a rectangular housing cover. This is where your cabin air filter is located. There are usually two small clips on either side of this cover. Gently unclip them to release it. After the cover is off, you can carefully pull out the old cabin air filter. Note its orientation, as you'll want to put it back the same way. Now that you have the filter out, it's time to clean it. Use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment to gently remove any loose dust, leaves, or debris. You can also lightly tap the filter against a hard surface to dislodge stubborn dirt. Remember, do not use water or any cleaning solutions on the filter, as this can damage the filter media and reduce its effectiveness. With your filter clean, carefully slide it back into the housing. Make sure the airflow arrow on the filter points in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the car. Snap the housing cover back into place, then push the glove box sides inward again to re-engage the stoppers. Finally, close your glove box. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. This simple cleaning can significantly improve your AC performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.